As Massachusetts gets ready to start opening back up, here's what you need to know when you're reopening your barbershop. The 4 main things to consider are social distancing, hygiene, staffing and operations, and cleaning and disinfecting. First, social distancing. To observe social distancing guidelines, arrange chairs so work areas are spaced out at least 6 feet apart, and install physical partitions between workstations if possible. Use visual markers throughout the area to encourage both customers and employees to observe social distancing guidelines. Require your staff to wear PPE like face masks, gloves, aprons, and eyewear. If you can, keep doors and windows open to improve ventilation. And where possible, contactless payments are encouraged. The next thing to consider is hygiene. In order to maintain proper hygiene, ensure that there is plenty of access to hand washing, including soap and running water or hand sanitizer. Employees should also be supplied with enough cleaning products like sanitizer and disinfecting wipes so they can keep their work areas clean. Before and after each customer, employees should change gloves and wash hands, change into a clean smock or gown, disinfect all tools, and ensure that a clean cape is used for each customer. Ensure that your employees have enough time to complete these cleaning and hygiene tasks throughout the day. Do not permit sharing of tools and supplies between employees, and post visible signage throughout the area to remind employees and customers about hygiene and safety protocols. Staffing and operations. As you reopen, limit your services to hair services only. Non-hair services like eyebrows, beard trimming, and manicures are not yet allowed. Require customers to make appointments in advance and maintain a log of employee and customer contact information to help with contact tracing if it's needed. Close waiting areas and remove non-essential amenities like magazines and customer-facing water or coffee. Provide training to your employees on safety, cleaning, and hygiene standards. When scheduling shifts, stagger arrival and departure times and work hours to reduce contact across employees. It is important to encourage employees to notify their employer if they come in close contact with a COVID-19 case, if they are experiencing symptoms, or if they test positive for COVID-19. All employees must stay home if they feel ill. Employees who are vulnerable to COVID-19, according to the CDC, should be encouraged to stay home as well. If the employer is notified of a positive case at the workplace, the employer is required to notify the local Board of Health and work with them to help with contact tracing and other required safety measures. Post signs to remind employees and customers of important health and safety information. Lastly, cleaning and disinfecting. Make sure you clean and disinfect the entire shop at least once a day, and disinfect high traffic areas and high touch surfaces frequently. Keep cleaning log to keep track of what was cleaned and when. In the event of a positive COVID-19 case, the site must be shut down while deep cleaning is completed. For more information, you can find a 1-page guide, a reopening checklist, and other resources at mass.gov. Thanks for watching, and thanks for helping to keep Massachusetts safe.